If you want to learn how to create multiple folders at once by using just a single click, then you can learn that from this video. Here's a quick demo of what we are going to achieve by the end of this video. So there you go, multiple folders created. Let's now see how to do this. You want to create a new notepad file first to create a batch file. Call it anything you want and then open it with your favorite text editor. Then type echo space off, give 2 line breaks, and then type md as a command for making a directory or making more directories. Then within double quotes type the folder names that you want to create. I would like to create some random folders here. Give a space and then again between 2 double quotes give your another folder name. Save this file and then close this off. Now I'm going to rename this from text file to BAT, which signifies it's a batch file. Say yes. Now this is good to go. If you just double click on this, it's going to create all the folders that we just created using the batch file command md. So this is a portable file that you can just carry over wherever you want to and then double click on it to create all the set of folders that you want to create. And there's no limit to this. Even if you want to create 100 folders, you can do that with this option. But how do you add this batch file to your right click context menu so that whenever you click on this, that's going to create those folders that you want to create? Let's see how to do that now. So now that you have created this batch file, right click on this by hitting on the shift key on your keyboard. So hit the shift key and then right click on this to see a new copy as path command here. Click on that to copy the path of your batch file wherever you have created, and then open registry by typing regedit in your run command. And before we go into the registry, a disclaimer here that make sure you do not mess around this registry keys anywhere else apart from what you're seeing this, because if you do something wrong with registry, then it's going to corrupt your Windows. So a word of caution there. Alright, so now in registry, go into this classes root, expand this, and then go into directory, search for the directory folder, expand that. Go into background, expand that, and then go into shell and expand that as well. You can see that I have already created my create YT folders here. We are going to create a similar one by right clicking on shell and say new key. This name is what's going to show up on your right click context menu. So give whatever that you can associate with easily. Okay, so once you create this name, right click again on this new folder new key that you created and say new key within that as well. Call it command, and on the right side pane double click on this name that says default, and here's where you paste the file path that you just copied from the folder to take it to your batch file. Once this is done, we are all set. So right click and you can see that this create folder set is now showing up on the context menu. Clicking on this is going to create folder set wherever you are in your Windows. That's it. I hope you learned something out of this video. If so, please hit on that like button, and I hope you subscribe so you can learn more such techniques in the future. I'll see you again in my next video. Until then, it's Arun signing off, and you take care. Bye bye.